Excuse this quick interruption. I've got to tell you about natural solutions for pain, tension, and poor mobility. Instead of suppressing symptoms with unnecessary medication, you can treat the root cause of pain and dysfunction naturally with acupuncture. Because acupuncture modulates the nervous system, and the nervous system controls and coordinates every function of the body. Think about that. There's no reason to live with unnecessary pain and poor mobility. That's a thing of the past. You know, you might as well just go live with the dinosaurs. Whether your pain was accidental, like falling off your roof, or self-inflicted because of showing off like a jackass, I've got a needle for that. I've got these beautiful one-needle hitters right here. Acupuncture is the way to go. It's been around forever. It works on humans, on animals like horses, cats, and dogs, proving that no belief system is required for it to work. So go to guidingneedleacupuncture.com and schedule a 60-minute assessment free of charge today, and go get that one needle hitter. If you have not yet subscribed to the Guiding Needle Acupuncture YouTube channel, be sure to select the subscribe button below this video and turn on the bell so that you'll get all the notifications. Thank you for watching, and thanks for choosing Guiding Needle Acupuncture as your provider of quality traditional Chinese medicine. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the clinic for proactively strengthening wellness. May the blessings be.